Okay guys, so it's been a little bit of a ritual on the channel, this has. What's in Alex's tech backpack? And today, well, I've got a couple of things to unbox first. One of them being this is a ultra lightweight backpack, apparently. And then, here is another present in here, as to both of these things are going to be going in my main backpack, so we will find out. This is fancy. This is really, really fancy. Oh, no way! I don't know if you guys are excited as me for this, but oh my god, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna set off my new waterproof backpack and this phone to the side just for now, and bring in my main backpack, because the main premise of this video is for me to tell you guys what's in my tech bag in 2018. And then we'll get onto this phone and this backpack in just a second. Right, so my backpack, guys, is, as you can see in here, super messy. So I'm going to use this video as sort of a place to take everything out and show you guys what's what, and then tidy it all back up again. So here we've got a GoPro Hero 5. Now, I am currently going away right now with EE, which is absolutely awesome, and I'll get onto that in just a second, which is why I'm taking all of this tech with me. Got one GoPro, that was a Hero 5, and then we've got the Hero 4 Black Edition here with the wrist mount. So we've got action cameras from every angle here. Here's my MacBook charger, one of the most boring things in the bag. So while I'm pulling this out, guys, I'll tell you what I'm actually doing with EE. So TechFlow, us guys, we're going away today. Like, I need to go and catch my flight right now after I've shot this video, and we are going to do loads of challenges for 4 days. Actually, 3 challenges, in fact. That is my passport and my wallet for going away and getting through the airport. Here we've just got a few cables, guys, a couple of lightning cables here, and a couple of my favorite dongles. This is the Kingston Nucleum dongle. Absolutely love this thing, USB-C, and you get a whole plethora, even HDMI on this bad boy, for your MacBooks and your USB-C only laptops. So we are going away with EE, guys, and this Land Rover phone to do some really awesome stuff out in the wilderness. Now, EE have set us a land, sea and water challenge. There's my glasses, by the way. Not quite sure how you say it. Dolphin Cabana. Set of earpods here for travelling. So yes, land, sea and air challenges with EE. Now it's part of what they're calling 4G in the wilderness scheme. 360 camera for an iPhone, lightning port. This is really cool. This is their Insta 360. And then this is a 4G dongle. Take this everywhere with me because, you know, YouTube videos and uploading and stuff, and internet is the 21st century right now. This connects to 4G, funnily enough, and gives you Wi-Fi. But yes, 4G is in the wilderness, according to EE. So we're going to be going away with them to go and do their 4G in the wilderness, where we're going to be live streaming me doing loads of challenges. And all these challenges, guys, that we're going to be doing, another cable, that we're going to be doing with EE are going to be live streamed. Now, I'm going to put all the links in the description of this video. But that is essentially, guys, the bottom portion of my bag. It's cameras and accessories and USB-Cs and my passport and headphones and earpods and just cables. We're also going to be doing a load of stuff, guys, on our social media of coverage of what I'm doing with EE, and all the links to the live streams and stuff. We'll probably end up tweeting them out. I'll put everything in the description for you guys. I want you guys watching me live. Now, there's 2 compartments in the front here. I have nothing but a little screen wipe in this bottom one, and then this top one, all I have is pills, things like paracetamol and travel sickness pills, just in case, you know, start to feel a bit ill. But in the top compartment of my bag, I have a lens for my cameras. I have my drone. This is the Mavic Air. Then we have the controller to go along with it, with a custom lightning cable that's really short and really handy, so they go together nicely. And then we have a battery for said drone. These are my beloved Bose QC35 headphones. Wow. For an aeroplane, I've never been able to sleep on them. Whack these on, turn on the noise cancelling, I'm out like a light. These things are mental. Well worth the money, if anybody asks. Let me know, guys, if you want me to do a review on those headphones separately, but that is the front 2 compartments of my tech bag. And then in the back of this bag, I usually would store my 15-inch MacBook, but unfortunately I don't have it on me right now because it's currently rendering out a video, and if it were to do that inside of this backpack, we would definitely have a massive office fire. On the side of my bag, guys, I've just got a little Zeiss cleaning cloth for lenses and such, just a little microfiber cloth, and it tucks away nicely in there, really cool. And then in these side pockets, guys, I have a few more things. I have my Google Pixel Pixel 2 XL, which is my work phone. I have, this is really essential for traveling, a 4G mini router with a retractable Ethernet cable. And then hopping over to the other compartment, this side, we should find some portable battery packs, and I have a large array of them. This is from Anker, it's the 5,000 milliamp hour variant, and then I also have some spare camera batteries here. This is the battery for my A7S. Taking a closer look, I have another one of the Anker 5,000 milliamp hour battery packs. I just love these because they're so thin. That one's got a lightning port, the one before had a micro USB, two of them. And then I've got my, now this is really cool, the Nomad 8,000 or 10,000? 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Now the reason I like this one is because it has a tile built into it, and this battery bank stays in my bag. So essentially, my bag now has a tile on it. So if I'm to misplace my bag, I can go on my phone, open up the tile app, and I can make this thing make a noise and locate my entire bag because it's got this power bank in it. That is why I love this thing, and I always keep it in here. Oh, and this thing, yeah, it's super, super rugged. It's from Nomad, 10,000 milliamp hours. I like battery power. So as I put all this stuff back in here, guys, there's the QC35s. I'm going to explain a little bit more about what I'm doing with EE. So as I've said, we're going away with EE as TechFlow, all of us, to live stream, or I'll be getting live streamed, me doing loads of challenges. 3 challenges, land, sea, and air. And that is all I know. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing. And all the links here, you guys can see me go out there and do some, hopefully, absolutely awesome stuff. And at the same time, be really, really bad at it. And it's all going to be in the wilderness. I think there's also going to be a little bit of camping involved too, so that is going to be awesome to see if we get connectivity right out there in the rural camping sites, which is going to be super, super cool. So that, guys, is essentially what I'm doing and why I'm taking all of this kit, and I have a heavy emphasis on action cameras, but this is usually what I take in my tech backpack wherever I go. This thing just comes fully loaded with me. I never take anything out of it. I never really have to put anything in it, except from, you know, a couple extra action cameras when I know I'm going to be doing action-based activities. I'm gonna go and catch a flight right now, and well, I can't wait to check out this Land Rover phone. We'll do a dedicated video on that because that is absolutely mental. A GPS, oh, it's got interchangeable backs. Yes, we are definitely doing a video on this. But for now, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, a like rating would be absolutely awesome. You can click subscribe right there and check out some of our other videos. Why don't you watch last year's Alex's tech bag video to see how things have changed, if anything has, and check out some related content below that. But for now, this has been TechFlow and I've been Alex, and we'll see you in the next one.